Is it real or not? Well, you can guarantee yourself it's real. The only question is it real for you and me? Hi and welcome. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope we can earn your subscription today. So, first of all, Microsoft lets employees test things, or has employees test things. They're inside Microsoft and they can test things. And certainly they're the ones that's doing the testing for the Duo. The question is, does Microsoft open up that to allow you and I to come into it? Now, they do this for various things. Obviously, Office 365. I'm on the Insider program for that, and I'm on the Insider program for Windows, and I'm on the Insider program for Edge on Windows. This is a program I've asked for a long time. I tweet about it. I've put it into feedback. Would love to have an Insider program for the Duo. But now, are you prepared if we had such a thing for this to not work? Because that's a possibility. If you get your device on an unstable build, then you're going to have problems. And if you're beta, developer beta or preview is probably the most safe, and beta maybe the next. And if they have it, developer, where you get all the great future features, those rings, beta and developer, or whatever they might call them, would be very unstable. Now, back in the days of this device, this is a Lumia 950 XL, I was on the Insider program for it. And, oh man, I remember many situations where devices wouldn't work. People's devices weren't working. Again, it depended upon the ring that you put your device on. And if you're putting a very important device on any Insider ring, you're taking a big risk. And how buggy of a risk you're willing to take, of course, drives the point of which ring would you put your device on. However, if you put it on like a developer ring, you're going to get to see lots of features that may be coming. Same is true with beta. You'll see features that may be coming. Thing is features may go in and then don't ship in the next drop, and they may stay in the betas or they just disappear. This has been true with Windows since way back in, I guess my first beta for Microsoft was in about 1989. You see things come in and then you see them go out. And it's been that way throughout the whole history of Windows. Now, back to that device not working stuff. So you get on a ring because you want to see, is inking on the lock screen, has that been added in? Or has launcher been updated? And what are those features and any of the other things that the Duo could do? You're on that ring because of that. So you are on a less stable ring. The good thing compared to the Windows 10 Mobile, where Windows 10 Mobile OS was being developed, as well as all the features around it, we would most likely be working with a released version of Android and then the stuff that is added in around it. So it should be more stable. Since the phone app is most likely you're using the one like I'm using that Google puts out, then that app and the OS are base unchanged. So we should have no issues. And you would hope, because Android's not supposed to allow it, apps that are being added in and tested will not cause impact. However, I just encountered a bug today where I had Google Messages on one screen and Windows Messenger on the other screen. And apparently Messenger froze up. So Messenger had a problem because Messenger ultimately said, you've got to close me. But I couldn't access either app, which was really odd. But, Android's not supposed to allow that to happen. They're supposed to be isolated from each other. So you could encounter things like that. And how far down that goes depends upon how bug-free Android is. So you really do, if you jump onto Insider Rings, have to be careful, especially if you're going to bring a mobile device home, which is most likely a critical device for you. You'd want to make certain that you had backup. The good thing, we get to see new things and hopefully provide feedback and move this technology forward. The bad thing, of course, would be the potential of having issues. So hopefully this is for real for you and me. I want to see it. Do you want to see it? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe it inspired you to have some thoughts. You can comment, share, subscribe if the content is good to you. And most of all, thanks for watching.